How to fix Block Blast not updating. So let's say that you have the game but it's not up to the current version. What you can do is close the game completely. Then we will have to go into our phone's settings. From here you want to find your iPhone storage. Click on the search bar and in the suggestions you should see iPhone storage. Click on it, and then from this list we want to find the Block Blast game. Click on show all here until you find Block Blast. Okay, so I have it right here. Now what we want to do is click on offload app. After we have offloaded the application and reinstalled it, this is going to give you the most up-to-date version, and it's going to verify the integrity of your files. Give it some time to reinstall here, and afterwards you should be good to go. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.